In this video we are going to layer up an image and use the alpha channel in Pages on the MacBook Pro. First up, we're going to need a bit of a background. So from the media we're going to choose a Union flag that I have here prepared earlier. There it is, and that's the background for our image. Secondly, now we're going to insert another picture which is an icon for Britain, which is St Paul's Cathedral. And there's St Paul's. Now it would be nice if the Union flag would come through behind St Paul's there. So to do that we are going to look at the image and we're going to do what they call instant alpha. And to do that we're now going to click over the blues, and you'll see that highlights in brown as I do it. See that going down there? There we go. And we're just going to highlight that onto there. And the instant alpha allows the Union flag to come through from the back. My goodness, we're nearly done. All we're going to do now is add some text on the bottom, and we're going to say the magic words London, England. Control A. We'll change the colour to white and make them a bit bigger, these characters, so that they will form the bottom of our image. There it is. Now, dragging that around, you can see that we have our final image. Thanks very much for watching.